What's up, y'all? Yeah, MC Crack is back up in this thing, dawg. I've been gone too long, man. See, I was in a rap game, but see, I went to rehab and got clean. I ain't smoked since I've been out. So I got connected with the connect. Now I'm about to connect y'all with the connect. Where my love whippersnapper with my music. I'm finna connect you with the connect. Let's do it. Connect me.
We in the house, and Jerome is in the house. Cause we got the 6A, and it's back in the land.
Somebody hear my music.
My name's Rose.
Somebody hear my music. Somebody hear my music. There we go. Oh, Lord. Oh, what are you messing up? Alright.
Go bring it back.
Yeah, hit that snake a little before you get started. Look, I got legs. Yeah. MC Crack, I'm back. Your food out there is wet. Y'all thought I was gone, but I've been gone too long that I had that car right back. I got out of rehab. I met little mama and little dude. We got real cool. We do what we do, but we been clean since '92. We don't smoke no more. I said we don't smoke no more. Girl, get up off that floor, cause we don't smoke no more. I don't want to smoke crack. Don't want to smoke crack. Don't want to smoke that crack, y'all. Yeah, 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 get it, get it, get it. I got to stay. Somebody slide here. Somebody call me. 555 call me. Sign my boy. Sign my boy. Somebody need to sign my boy. Please sign my boy. Yes, I've been clean, clean, baby, clean. I'm out this thing. I'm out this thing. I'm out this thing. I'm done, man. I'm done, man. I'm done. Get it, girl. Get with the jack. Hit that second leg on. Take it, take it, take it. Let that thing that's funky. Oh, oh. Do that, cat daddy. Cat daddy. I don't know. This is cat out. Yeah.
Why you not getting that cat daddy on?
You gotta hit that cat daddy. Hit that booty, do it. Hit that booty, do it. Hit that booty, do it.
Y'all let us
Oh, work it. Work it. Work it. Yeah, cut that out. Yeah. Yeah.